honing stone is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of abrasive stones to refine and smooth the surface of metal parts. This process is commonly used in the production of precision components such as gears, bearings, and valves, where a high degree of accuracy and surface finish is required. Honing stone is a critical step in the manufacturing process as it helps to improve the performance and longevity of the finished product. The honing process involves the use of a honing machine that uses a rotating abrasive stone to remove material from the surface of the metal part. The stone is typically made of a material such as diamond, silicon carbide, or aluminum oxide, and is chosen based on the specific requirements of the part being honed. The honing machine applies a controlled pressure and speed to the stone, which allows it to remove material from the surface of the part in a precise and controlled manner. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of precision components for a variety of industries, including aerospace, defense, and medical. The company offers a range of services, including honing stone, to help its customers achieve the highest level of quality and performance in their products. Berkness Company has a team of experienced engineers and technicians who are skilled in the use of honing machines and can provide customized solutions to meet the unique needs of each customer. If you are interested in learning more about honing stone and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, you can visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website. The company's team of experts is available to answer any questions you may have and provide you with a customized solution that meets your specific needs. With over 80 years of experience in the manufacturing industry, Berkness Company is a trusted partner for companies looking to improve the quality and performance of their products. FAQs. 1. What is a honing stone and how is it used in manufacturing? A honing stone is a tool used in manufacturing to refine the surface of a workpiece. It is typically made of abrasive materials such as silicon carbide or aluminum oxide and is used to remove small amounts of material from the surface of the workpiece to achieve a precise finish. Honing stones are commonly used in the production of automotive parts, hydraulic cylinders, and other precision components. 2. What are the different types of honing stones available for use in manufacturing? There are several types of honing stones available for use in manufacturing, including diamond, cubic boron nitride, CBN, and conventional abrasive stones. Diamond and CBN stones are typically used for high-precision applications, while conventional abrasive stones are more commonly used for general-purpose honing. 3. How do you choose the right honing stone for a specific manufacturing application? Choosing the right honing stone for a specific manufacturing application depends on several factors, including the material being honed, the desired finish, and the level of precision required. Factors such as grit size, bond type, and abrasive material should also be considered when selecting a honing stone. It is important to consult with a honing expert or supplier to ensure that the correct stone is selected for the specific application. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.